Hey everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I will show you how you can add a contact in your kvCORE, assign a hashtag to that contact, create a flyer in kvCORE's advanced email editor, and finally how to schedule a mass email using a hashtag. So let's get started. So here I am logged into my kvCORE. I will click Smart CRM. That will show all my contacts in here. Okay, so what you want to do here, you want to click on add contact. Okay, here you will enter the information. So you need minimum these three things: first name, last name, and an email. So you can go ahead and add all this other information, lead types, buyer, seller, renter, all that. But for this tutorial I'm just going to enter first name, last name, email. Okay, and make sure my permission for email is yes, and I'll say add contact. Once the contact is added, in here, right here, hashtags, here you can enter hashtag. I will enter Facebook, and then you want to press enter. Okay, it will show right here. All of my contacts here, I have given them hashtag Facebook, and you can see right here at the bottom, all of them have Facebook. Okay, you can have more than one hashtag. Let's say I click on this one and I will enter, I don't know, seller or something. Right, there we go. Okay, close. So now this one says Facebook seller. So now we'll click on marketing. Okay, this one, and we're gonna click on schedule mass email. Get started. We'll click on schedule email. Okay, it will bring this box up, and you want to click on advanced editor. All right, this one. So click that. I'll say, are you sure? Yes, we're sure. So this is where we will design our flyer, and from this tab content we will drag what we want to insert. Okay, let's say we want to insert an image. We'll bring that here, let go. All right, and let's say we want to bring more images here, right? Let's say you want maybe 3 images here. So what are you going to do? You're going to go into rows. All right, and here are some layouts. We're going to look for the one with the 3. Here's one with 3. We're going to drag it and drop it right here underneath. Okay, and then we will go back here again into content, and we will drag image 1, 2, 3. Okay, right now we're just designing it. We will bring in images later on, but the design you can change as you're going along. Maybe I want to add a text here. Okay, under the logo here. Maybe I want to add another picture here. So I'm thinking about a logo picture, then actual building picture, some sort of text. Maybe not, I don't know. Here you can have an idea. Let's say you have different type of picture size or whatever, right? It could be text, it doesn't have to be pictures, right? I can have, let's say I'll put this here, so I can have a picture, and then text, right? So it's totally up to you, and whatever you're thinking, you can go into rows and look for that layout, and you're good. Okay, but I'm going to delete this one. Listen, I wasn't thinking about this. I will delete that. I'm just going to have same 3. I'm going to put it here, and then so I'll add image, and in the end I'll just want to put another text. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's add it now. So I'll go click on the first one. I'm going to say browse. So it's going to bring this file manager up, and so we're going to click on upload, and here are all my files. I'm just going to select all of them and click upload. All right, here's uploading. So once all the files are uploaded, so here I have one logo, and there's another logo here, right? Let's try this one. So I'll click insert, and here it is. Maybe I don't like this big and all this space, right? So I'm going to change it. So I'll click on the image, say change image, and I will select this one, go insert. Okay, so that's much better. Here I will bring in another picture. Here we go. Okay, there we go. And so on the text I typed click here for more info, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make the word here a link, so when you click on word here it goes somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna select just here, I'm just double clicking on the word, and I want to click on this chain link icon. Alright, so I'm going to select that. So here you will enter your web address. I'm just going to enter my website. After you're done, just click OK. Okay, so it's going to tell you require HTTP, just say yes. You can enter that before if you like, it doesn't matter. Alright, and you can now format this. Maybe you want to have it centered, right? Make it bigger, right? And change your fonts. Okay, so you can do whatever you like. So I just click on preview, see how it looks so far. Right, that's how it looks. Okay, and from this X you can go back, and now let's enter images here. Same thing, want to click browse. So when you inserting the images, you want to make sure they're same size. If they're not same size, it's going to look different. I'll show you what I mean by that. So let's choose this one. Next one, I'm going to choose this one, and one more. I'll choose this one. So here you notice here how this one is longer, right? Because the size is not same. And let's put some images here too. Same thing here. The size is not same. They look different. So I'm gonna go back, make the size same, and come back. Okay, so after changing the size, now they look same. All right. Maybe I want to put another picture in between. So I'll add another row. Picture, and I will choose this exterior picture. Okay, maybe I want to add more text here, right? So I'll select another row, drop it here. I'll go back to content, select text, drag and drop it here. So here I will paste deposit structure. I already copied it from my text file, so I'm just gonna select all this text, right click and paste. Okay, here's my deposit structure. It doesn't look pretty, we're gonna make it look pretty. So I'm gonna, after 30 days, enter. I'll select the whole text. I will center it. I want to change the text for all of them to Lato. I like this font. I will make extended deposit structure bold. Okay, same thing. All these headings, I will make it bold. You can also change the color of your text. So what you want to do is you want to select your text and click on this arrow beside this A, right? Text color. When you take it, there is a text color. And now you want to select this custom color icon, and we will choose, and maybe we want, so like that, and maybe we want something in the back too, like a bar or something. So then we go to this icon, background color, and we choose, let's pick something dark, save, right? Maybe you want to do that, I don't know. I don't like it, so I'm just gonna undo, and I'm happy with this. Okay, so let's preview it. So this is how our flyer looks. This is how the email will look, right? And down here, if you have your signature, right, set up, you can toggle this on. Okay, if not, maybe you have a picture already, right? You use some sort of graphic with your contact info, your picture and all that. So what you can do, you can just close this, and you can have you can add another row at the bottom, or you can just go content again and add another picture here and bring that picture. Okay, I'm gonna add one more picture here. So let's say I want to add it here, right? So I'm gonna bring it right here, right? And I'm gonna add this picture. This is a view from 70th floor. Enter that. I'm gonna put that there. With this arrow, you can move it, drag it up or down. Okay, maybe I want it here. No, I'll put it here, right? And actually, I want to change this text to, okay. Maybe want to add some space here. We can go back to content and divider, just drop it in between, and there you go. We have a little bit more space. Actually, let's add a button here. We're gonna drag the button, drop it right here. Okay, so by clicking on it, I'm just gonna double click, right? And maybe we'll say more info, right? And when it's selected, right here we can add the internet address, right? So I'll enter my website here. Okay, now let's do a preview. All right, everything looks good. I want to click on more info, and my website got loaded. You can make this go anywhere, landing page or whatever, right? Let's click on mobile, how it will look on a phone. Okay, this is how it will look on a phone. All right, let's exit out of here. And now what you want to do, you want to go over here, select this, contacts with hashtag, and we're going to enter Facebook, the hashtag we created, right? And press enter. So make sure you press enter so it comes down like that. So here we will enter subject. I'm just going to enter test. And here we will select our time when we want this email to go out. I'm going to select today, and I'm going to select 11 p.m. All right. And I'm going to say schedule and done. And here it is. Here's the email, come out, test, 70 Pro, blah, blah, blah. Right? I'm going to click on it, and here you see the flyer. Well, that is it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.